So here I have the 5/16 drill. Something that helps a lot is if you leave off on the last drill, don't move anything because this drill bit is already aligned to that hole, which is a nut little time saver. So now I'm going to install my countersink, and once again, because I already scribed where that diameter is, I have a very clear target to shoot for as I'm countersinking. Ooh, chatter. Try a little drill press voodoo. I'm going to start the drill press, stop it, and let it come to a stop once it's engaged. Try to get rid of that chatter. Doesn't look too bad. I do have a little chatter in there. So now I'm installing my tap. This is a 3/8 by 16. And this is going to be done with no power. Again, if I turn the drill press on, that's way too fast, and the tap will be trying to thread through there very aggressively. So if I do that, I will for sure shatter my tap. So what I'm going to do is just make sure this is lined up, ready to go, and it's nice. And I'm going to apply lots of oil to my tap. This is a cutting operation that is not too easy on this tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of tension on the quill handle with my hand.